What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing another video on the Cadillac Ctsv. Some of the things I like about it, some of the things I don't like about it. So let's get it going. We did a 2.3 Metco pulley, put a K&N filter with a ram air box modification that they got off Lingenfelter. Did the lower pulley, did a ID 1050X injectors with a bigger fuel pump so we could run E85. Got full exhaust, got headers, and I think that's about it. But car's very responsive. I think it only cost like $4,800 for that whole everything we did with labor and the all tune. The dyno tune's what cost it a lot, but that's it. It's not expensive to build for the power you get. Like I said, we'd really like to do that 2650 later, but that's like $6,000 also. But hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it was informational. Particular model is the paint job, the Black Diamond Edition. If you can't tell, it's got a whole lot of metallic flake in it. It's absolutely beautiful. I like the wheels I got on it. I put these on, of course, aftermarket. Factory wheels were 19. What I also like about it, the headlights turn with the car, whatever direction your car's going, and they do have HIDs. It also has these vents right here. These vents go up underneath back here, as you can see it right there, and it's supposed to help cool your brakes. But on the right side, I have this one modified where it goes in and goes up into the intake for like a ram air. So I like that about it. I like the hood. I like all the details on the car. One thing I like, but some people might not, is the doors. Kind of like a Corvette. You gotta go up and under, and there's a button you gotta push. A lot of people struggle with it. You sit in here. It's got a nice cockpit. This screen comes up and comes down. It's pretty nice. It's got a really good sound system. It's got the Bose. It's got all your different things it'll tell you. Economy, all that good stuff. It's got the sunroof. It's got heated and cooled seats. One thing I don't like about this car is the blind spot right here. It's a terrible, terrible blind spot. You have to turn around every time just to look. So the blind spot is a bad thing in the Cadillac Ctsv, in my opinion. The exhaust is really nice from the factory. This is the factory tips on it. I just had the muffler bleed on. The car handles extremely well. That's another plus. I don't really have a lot of bad things to say about this car other than the blind spot. And the fuel economy sucks factory. And this is a problem with all Cadillacs. Supercharger rattle, and I've already replaced the pulley down and everything, and it's got a different isolator in it already, so not real sure why it's still rattling. May have to go do some more work on the supercharger, just to upgrade to a 2650, who knows. But the car is absolutely beautiful. I love the car. It's fun to drive. Let's take a ride. I have to pull up the back out. I'm gonna roll the windows down that way you guys can just hear how great the car actually sounds. So another good thing about this car, it has sequential. So you got automatic and manual, and you go up here, you got paddles on the back of the steering wheel on each side. So you got one, you can go up to two, you can go back to one, so you can do it. I'll show you. This thing's fun. So if I'm driving, I can hit that back button, it'll shift second. It's kind of cool. Really makes it sound like a manual. So some of you manual guys that just like the sound of the manuals, watch this, listen real careful. Sounds like a manual. Compliments on the exhaust than I have negative. You'll occasionally have one of them 65 guys that, oh, the exhaust sounds like crap. Well, I'm sorry, it's not a Honda Civic. It's a muscle car. It's supposed to sound loud and proud, but that's just my opinion. If you like quiet, that's on you. I like to be heard, and I like to hear every detail of this massive V8. So guys, tell me what you think about this car. It's one of my favorites that I have, just because of the luxury and the sound, the performance it has, and all the luxury details in it. But it's not my favorite, but it's one of them. I like the Coyote car I got the most, but this car right here definitely has a soft spot for. So I don't know, guys, what's your opinion on the Cadillac? You like it, you hate it, you love it, don't care. Either way, I still love it. So you like the sound, you like the wheels, let me know your opinion on it. But this video is more or less to show people that's interested in getting a Cadillac Ctsv kind of what it looks like, what it sounds like, things you can do. Like, they're not really expensive, but I'm gonna tell you this, the one thing you do have to do, all of them have that supercharger rattle issue, which I thought this one had been fixed. This is the first time it's done this in a while, so not real sure what's up with that, but it's not a real big issue because we're planning on upgrading to the 2650 anyway. So hope you guys like this video. I will encourage you guys to get a Ctsv if you're interested. They're just amazing cars. Believe it or not, we went from 20 miles a gallon when we got the car. We got it tuned and did the mods that we did. Believe it or not, guys, I can actually show you. It gets 25 to 26 miles a gallon, which is extremely impressive for a 4,300 pound car. I did have it weighed. It's 4,300 pounds. It runs 7s at the track, and that's probably all it's going to do. We might, like I said, do that 2650 supercharging. If we do that, definitely going to hit the 6s, but it's not supposed to be our race car. It's our luxury, just cruiser car. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. There's more to come. Boosted 931.